So I was researching how to cut windows in my plywood here, and I wanted a really clean line. I wanted a good window, but I had no idea what to do. And then I came across this video of how to cut windows with a router. So we just happen to have a router in the shed. It's never seen the light of day, so I brought it out today, and I'm gonna cut a window here. So we'll start with the drill and watch me go. No! Dead battery! I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I literally have enough juice for like one hole probably, but I want to get this done. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to make sure that the router, this bit goes into the hole. And it does. So basically I've set the router to 1/2 inch of depth, and there's this, it's not plugged in, there's this bit here that runs along the 2x4s in the window framing. And so basically this will run along the 2x4s, and then the blades will shave the plywood, and I will get a perfect cut. Plugging it in. Okay, here we go. Let's do it. Just like that, we have a window.